We are suite 6810 here at the Cove Atlantis. Really nice spacious room right as you walk in. Hi, man. Have the bathroom right away. Really spacious, good size. You do have 2 vanities and the good size soaking tub. Also, the shower is really nice. Looks like they have some pretty good amenities here as well. Coming out of the bathroom, still really nice size entryway. It's got a walk-in closet, which is really nice. We're just waiting on our luggage now from the bell stand. Then you come into the bedroom, king size bed, which is really good. Has a TV that nobody uses on vacation. And then just the little seating area. Really nice to have that extra space. Really heavy door to get outside. We got really lucky. So we have the water park view. So you overlook the entire Aquadventure Waterpark. Over there's the Royal Tower. That's gonna have the aquarium, a lot of places to eat. Shuttles run all the time where you can just walk. That's the main pool. We have a pool exclusive just to the Cove. That's on the other side. But really just loving the view. I mean, the water is so beautiful, and then to have the view of Aquadventure too is really neat. All those water slides. We're gonna hit that up Saturday. I skipped over some amenities. You get the Keurig coffee cups, K-cups, everything like that for morning coffee. And then a really cool feature, they have these stainless aluminum water bottles. Those come free with the room. You get to take them with you and fill up during your entire stay. They also give you a cute little beach bag, again, complimentary, and 2 sets of little flip-flops. So just a couple additional perks with booking at the Cove.
In the Bahamas at the Atlantis Cove. It is so beautiful. We're about ready to go to the water park all day today.
It's gonna be so much fun. We've been waiting to hit this water park up. There's a ton of different slides. We're gonna do all of them and take you guys with us. It's gonna be a beautiful day, probably another 82-degree day. Sun shining. We're gonna hit up all of those slides they have over there, and we're really excited. We are hitting up this power tower first. Gonna check out some tube rides, figure out the situation. Maybe we need our own tubes. We don't quite know yet. The Abyss, that's the body slide that goes through. So if you do a tube slide, you have to go down to the lazy river and pick a tube. They don't just have them waiting at the bottom of the slides, just so you know. We are going to go down our first slide, the Surge. Inner tubes required, or the drop. We'll see.
Like this, then I was fine. And then
Yeah, there's a couple places you need to keep your bottom up when you're on the tube. but this is too much fun. I think we're gonna get out of here and go down another one.
No, you go in the rapids.
Oh, you don't want to do that other tube slide?
No, we'll come back around and do that.
Okay. We have some more rapids coming up. So just for a little perspective, that tower over there behind the trees, that is the cove. The Royal's actually going to be somewhere back behind us. So it's a little walk to the park, but it's really not bad. Once you're in the park, it's a ton of walking, kind of stairs. Once you find a tube, hold on to it. And as Matt showing us here, keep your bottom up. We're going through some rapids. What are you doing? Really cool. Go down the Serpent. That's the shark tank down there. This is the tube, one of them. There is the Leap of Faith, which is a little more famous, body slide only. Pretty nice view from up here.